In this video, I'll show you how to change a label format on the Nishida Uni 7 scale. So this also applies to a Uni 5 scale. Now you can do this on the scale itself, or if you do have the software, you can use the iSupport program to modify your label formats. So we can do a simple change here, and what I'm about to do is we're going to change my ingredient field. Instead of extra message 2, I'll switch it over to extra message 1. So we start by going to mode. We'll enter the password 495344PLU. We're going to go under setup. Under page 3 we have our cassette setting. Here I see my default label format is number 3. It's already highlighted. I can go format edit and we'll see my label format that appears on the screen. From here I can just touch one of the boxes to highlight it. So the first box I touch is the PLU name. Next I have the extra message 2 box. If you are modifying one of these smaller boxes, you can always go under, you can cycle through them by pressing the arrow key here, cycle through the different boxes. Oops, I reached the end there. Or we can go under unit number to select from a list of boxes. So the one I want is extra message 2, which I have here. It's listed as number 32, and it shows up. So what I want to do is I want to change it from extra message 2 to extra message 1. I'm going to go under unit, and then print ID. Instead of extra message 2, I'm going to touch it and then select, I believe it's on page 7, extra message 1. And then I can go back to basic. I see it as extra message 1 instead of extra message 2. Unit, here we have all our attributes to this particular extra message box. So we can modify whether it's the font size, XY axis. You can do it under unit, or it's probably easier to do it under here. XY axis is the same. And even more, going back to unit, we have other attributes to this particular format. Pitch is important. That indicates the spacing in between each character. So you can, usually its standard is 3. You can put it down to 2 if you want a closer space between the characters. If we go down, we have other attributes as well to this field. Once that's set, we can exit out with this up arrow, and we're going to go execute, and we've made that change. And then we exit out the up arrow, and then we go back to operation with this bottom button here.